Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can increase your iPhone's display size, since some prefer using bigger display than the smaller size. So in today's video I'm going to show you how all that is done. So without any further ado, let's start by opening settings. And now that it's open, you can see that we have many tools to work with. So simply start by opening display and brightness. And now that it's open, you can see even more tools to work with, so simply come and click on display zoom. And now that it's open, you can see the tools we finally have here. So as you can see, our display is currently on standard. So to make your display even bigger, simply click on zoomed. And now as you can see, you have been given the final confirmation asking if you wish to set it to zoomed because it will restart your phone. So simply click on zoomed. And now as you can see, it has been applied. Even the settings have been zoomed. And also the apps, as you can see, they have been zoomed in as well. And also every text. However, you might want to set your display back to standards, so simply go back and click on standard, and then simply choose standard. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.